Is Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 crashing with a low-level fatal error or fatal error on PC? Does the game close on startup or during gameplay with an Unreal Engine error message? In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to resolve the low-level fatal error/fatal error in Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 on Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. Now wait for your PC to be updated to the latest version. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 installer. Download the x64 installer. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Double-click the x64 installer. Accept the terms and press Install. Press Yes. Wait for the program to be installed. Press Close. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA App Download. Click on NVIDIA App Download. Press Download Now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press on Agree and Continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed.